We're on our way back from New York right now. It's the King Isla Bash. We just came out from holding it down in New York, in Queens, at the Jerk Fest. You already know how it's going down. But we're on our way back now. Just got some rhythms that I got to write some new songs to. Big shouts out to VP Records. Check us out. You already know vprecord.com. The album come over. You got to check it out. You got to get your copy, all right? And we work on the next one crazy for you. But this is what I do when I'm in the car. I get the instrumentals, I vibe, and I write my songs. And I started writing this one for this new rhythm that they told me, hey, listen, Bash, you got to get something cracking on this right now. So I'm going to give you guys a little preview. All right, this is how we do it. Hey! Catch the argument. Them will smiling on your face and one like them are your friend. When you turn your back, look at you, them want hang. Them are hypocrites. Them boy, they are hypocrites. Boy, they will smiling on your face and one like them are your friend. When you turn your back, look at you, them want hang. Them are hypocrites. Them boy, they are hypocrites. Boy, the late great Bob said, don't let them fool you. No, they will come with a con plan, trying to seduce you. Boy, but you got to discern them, make them know they cannot hold you. No, remember Cain and Abel, some will even try to knife you. Watch them, they will smiling on your face and not one like them are your friend. When you turn your back, look at you, them want hang. Them are hypocrites. The boy, them are hypocrites. Cut it short. That's how we do it.